Hello guys, in this video we are going to see 8 input NAND gate. When all the input will be 1, then we will get 0 as our output. So let's get started. CD4068. It is 8 input NAND gate IC. It has 14 pins. Pin number 7 is ground and pin 14 is plus VCC. Here we will use plus 5 volt. The 8 inputs are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. These are all input and this is output. Let's say it is Y. Y equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, A dot B dot C dot D dot E, F, G and H. As it is NAND, so we will have a bar in this. So this will be our output. Pin 8 is no connection pin. Pin 1 is no connection pin. And Y is the output. And also pin 6, it is no connection. So this is the pin diagram. NAND means if any one of the input is 0, then we will get high in the output. Okay. Now we will see the practical circuit. This is our IC. With pin 14 we have to connect plus 5 volt, and with pin number 7 we have to connect ground. Pin number 13 is output. So to see the output we are connecting an LED, and with this a series resistor, and then it is connected to the ground. The value is 220 ohms. And with input pins, that is pin number 2 to 5 and 9 to 12, I am writing here input. With all the input pins we have to connect a switch to provide the input. Other side of the switch is connected to the plus 5 volt, so that we can keep this pin high. As it is a digital IC, so we have to connect a pull down resistor with input pin, and the value is 10 kilo ohms. And I already explained why should we connect this resistor. Link is given in the description below. And again, to see the input we are connecting an LED with a series resistor. The value of the series resistor is 220 ohms. So this is our connection. Now we will see this thing on breadboard. This is the IC 4068. Pin 14 is connected to the positive rail, pin 7 to the ground, with the input pin of the IC connecting the pull down resistor, pin number 2, pin 3, pin 4, pin 5, pin 9, 10, 11 and 12. These are all 10 kilo ohms. Now putting the output LED, the positive pin is connected to pin number 13, and with the negative pin connecting a 220 ohms resistor, and then it is connected to the ground. Now I am putting the input switch. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. One pin of the switch is connected to the positive rail. With the other side I am connecting the input LEDs. The positive pin is connected with the switch. With the negative side of the LED I am connecting 220 ohms resistor, and then it is connected to the ground. Now we have to connect the switch to the IC. Switch A to pin number 2, switch B to pin 3, switch C to pin 4, switch D to pin 5, switch E to pin 9, switch F to pin 10, switch G to pin 11 and switch H to pin 12. So this is our connection. Now I am connecting plus 5 volt. Here it is 5 volt positive and negative. Again I am saying, when all the inputs are 1, then only we will get output as 0. Now all the inputs are 0. The first input, it is 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, and this is the last input. If this is 1, we will get 0 as our output. So this is the NAND gate. It is 8 input NAND gate. Make any input 0, we will get 1. So this is how this IC works. So guys, this is all for today. I hope you like this video. If so, then please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any doubt on this, then please let me know in the comment section. In the next video, I'll show you another topic. Till then, stay happy and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.